Ende no rebera madzishe manje.
Saka kuti mamwe mabhodhi anenge
autodecompose then vamwe vanoda kudiko.
Ende apadiki.
There is no fuel, there is no equipment. Access is a problem.
Ndizvo makadiwana babaiwa nakuda chamborosa upenyu notenda na mambo tungamira
tragedy of serious magnitude. We have seen that most of the people are not able to travel because the roads are not passable and they are not accessible. You have seen the bridges that have been destroyed. We are told there are children who have been stranded. We are also told that there are parents who have been stranded. Bodies are decomposing. People cannot travel. They can't access